this video tutorial I will cover how to inject map using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined a class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and map of available fruits. Map key is integer and value is string. And it has fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and map of available fruits. And it has display fruit shop info method, and it displays fruit shop name and map of available fruits. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have specified fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using constructor dependency injection, and shop name of fruit shop object should be set as fruit mart, and map of available fruit should contains two key value pairs. The first key value pair is 1 and apple, and the second key value pair is 2 and grapes. Type attributes specify string and map. So this constructor which accept string and map. So this constructor will be called by Spring container, and shop name and map of available fruits will be set by Spring container. Map element is used to define map, and entry element is used to define key and value information. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. This information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create a fruit shop object. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates a fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the full life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app, and here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output, and this constructor is called by Spring container, and fruit shop name is set as fruit mart. Map of available fruits contains two key value pairs.